Welcome to Pune, India's evolving metropolis, a city where history meets the future and tradition fuels innovation. This is the story of Pune, a vibrant city in the state of Maharashtra, and its incredible journey of transformation, from a historical capital to one of India's fastest-growing urban centers. We begin with cinematic views of Pune's striking landscape, highlighting its blend of historic landmarks and gleaming modern architecture. Pune effortlessly balances its rich cultural heritage with the demands of rapid modernization. It's a place where deep roots support incredible growth. Our journey now shifts to the backbone of Pune's economy, its robust industrial and manufacturing strength. Areas like Pimpri-Chinchwad and Chakan are globally recognized manufacturing hubs. The sheer scale of these industrial zones drives significant economic activity. Pune has rightfully earned the moniker the Detroit of India, serving as a major center for the automotive and engineering industries, home to giants and innovators alike. Beyond manufacturing, Pune has undergone a profound transformation, becoming a leading light in India's technology landscape. Glimpse into the sprawling IT parks of Hinjawadi and Karadi. These are the engines of the city's digital future, attracting global investment and talent. The IT boom has irrevocably reshaped Pune's economic profile, moving it up the value chain and establishing it as a crucial node in the global tech ecosystem. Fast-paced shots of tech professionals, coding, collaborating, and the sleek modern architecture that houses innovation. The explosion in industry and IT demanded corresponding growth in infrastructure and commercial real estate. Observe the rapid transformation of Pune's skyline, with commercial centers and high-rise residences constantly reshaping the city's topography. Critical infrastructure projects, from new metro lines to expansive highways, are connecting Pune like never before, easing transit and fostering growth. How does all this translate into socio-economic development and quantifiable growth? Pune consistently demonstrates a high contribution to India's GDP, fueled by a favorable business environment and a skilled workforce. This growth is underpinned by Pune's strong educational sector, famously known as the Oxford of the East, which ensures a steady supply of well-educated talent. As we conclude our look at this dynamic city, what does the future hold for Pune? Enjoy these final cinematic shots of Pune's stunning cityscape as the day turns into night, leaving a glowing promise of tomorrow. Pune continues to pioneer India's future, solidifying its role as a global city of industry, IT, and immense potential. It is truly India's evolving metropolis.